Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at the PD200X series microphone. Now, this is a gaming microphone, a streaming microphone. It can also be used for podcasting. It can be connected two different ways, one by a XLR cable, and it can also be connected by a USB-C cable. So we are pairing up with Maono to hold a giveaway. We're going to be giving away a PD200X series microphone. So all you have to do is follow Maono official and Muzain reviews on YouTube, and we will be picking a winner in the comment page 2 weeks after this video goes live. And if you are the lucky winner, you will need to contact Maono's official pages through Instagram or Facebook to claim that prize. So today what I paired it with is the Maono Caster G1 Neo. So this is a gaming audio mixer. So basically we just connect the PD200X to the G1 Neo with a XLR cable, and then we connect the G1 Neo to computer with a USB-C cable. The G1 Neo can be connected to two computers at once, and basically what that's going to do is give you complete control of your microphone. So this PD200X did come with a microphone arm boom. That's what I've got mounted on here. I'll show you a little bit about how I mounted that and how I set it up. And the audio right now that you're hearing is coming through this microphone. So a great thing about the microphone itself is it has a bunch of controls right here. So having it connected with the XLR obviously will give you audio, but if we do connect with the USB-C to USB-C connection on the other end, that will give us complete kind of aesthetic controls and more controls as well. Will give us some RGB lighting. It's going to give us more controls here where we can just mute out the microphone. We can control the microphone sound and the headphone sound. It does also have RGB lighting. So if you are streaming and you want a little bit more aesthetic in your video, you can definitely have this set up and customized to your look and feel. Okay, so once again, all the audio that you are hearing is coming through the PD200X series microphone. I do have it running through the G1 Neo. Now with the G1 Neo, you do have a bunch of different controls. Starting up here, you have your control for your gain. So that's going to be the overall volume. You do have some reverb you can throw onto your microphone. And of course, everything that you hear is going to come out live when you're streaming and gaming. And then you do have your volume for your headphones. These two toggles are your volumes. With your direct monitor on, you're going to be able to hear the sound. You're going to hear your microphone, your music. And with it off, you're not going to hear it. And we do have a bit of a fun button here that we can change our voice. To the left of that, we do have the noise reducer. Now, this is actually a fantastic button to have. And this is going to deaden out a lot of that background noise, but really just focus on your voice coming through the PD200X microphone. Just as an example, this is with it off. I'm tapping the table. Now, this is it set to low. Still tapping the table as you can see, and then I'll set it to high. Now we're going to see in the post edit here how much this noise actually came through. But I have noticed when I'm using it with my AC unit on or something like that, it really just gets rid of that humming and buzzing noises in the background. Not only does the PD200X work fantastically with the hardware from Maono like the G1, but does actually have an app called Maono Link, which is available on Mac and Windows operating systems. And basically they support a few of the different microphones, and the PD200X is one of them. So we're going to jump into the software really quickly. I'm going to show you a couple of the features and how much control you can have out of the software itself, so you don't need to purchase that extra hardware if you don't want to. You do have standard and advanced options. Standard's very simple. You basically have your gain and your headphone gain, and then you do have a tone, a deep, original, natural, legacy. And then you have your controls for your RGB lights. You can turn them off and on. You can adjust the brightness. And then you do have a bunch of different colors that you can choose from. And of course, multicolored. Now coming over here to advanced, that does give us a little bit more control over the microphone. Again, you have your gain. You have your headphone volume so you can hear it back. But then you have your EQ levels. So this is really going to allow you to really hone down that sound and get rid of anything you don't want, or focus on someone's individual voice. And you can customize it, and you can actually go into advanced, and it really gives you ultimate control of getting the best quality sound for you as a personal creator with this microphone. And now underneath that, we do have the limiter. Now this is going to act like a noise reducer. So as I'm talking, you may hear that the sound is changing a little bit. It's going to lower the decibel that lets into the microphone. So, the lower you go means the more background noise is going to actually drop out. And then a compressor to compress your audio. Again, this is all just to get the best quality sound out of this one microphone. So let's talk about some of the features on the PD200X that makes it the global best-selling internet microphone. So not only do you have those different connection options that really make it versatile and user-friendly, it really is a plug-and-play type of microphone. The audio quality itself is fantastic, and the noise isolation properties just make it a fantastic microphone for not only a professional use case or a brand new streamer that wants high quality products from the get-go. It's going to allow you to be in a bedroom or a spare room or an office and allow you to actually stream while having that noise isolation, so you're not going to get all that background noise as well. It can be connected to PC and Mac. Now you can use the free Maono link on PC or Mac, and that's going to give you an app that lets you control the microphone. And of course you do have the customizable RGB lighting, which just makes it a fantastic vibe. So if we can take a look here on the back, you do have your XLR, you have your USB-C, you have your button here to control your lights, and then you have a headphone jack so you can actually monitor straight from the headphone as well. The boom arm itself does come with this shock mount. I hope you found this super useful. Please leave a comment below and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reviews like this.